Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ENTI. I did do this one a few days ago, I think sometime last week. These lines that you see were from the last time I did the video, and I just want to get this quickly updated. I had some questions come in, and it does deserve a chart update because it's been putting in higher lows and went through a very healthy consolidation right here. So just want to get the video updated, and that way people can continue to have an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective on things. So the first thing to note, and not trying to toot my own horn or anything, but if anything, I'm just trying to toot technical analysis horn to show that it is valid and is very useful, is this red line here. Like I said, I put this in here last week sometime. And if you don't believe me, it's as simple as going back and digging up my old ENTI video and watching, looking at the date on it, and then watching where I put this line in. But like I said, it's not me tooting my own horn. It's just kind of me tooting, the strategy of technical analysis. But back here, you could see that 0.018 was a support level there, and then 2 times it turned into a resistance level, and then sure enough today, the high was at 0.0018. So this level here, just by simply looking back at the previous price history, shows that 0.0018 does still have some sellers up there, and that remains area of resistance. So 0.0018 is definitely going to be the new key resistance. And seeing that there's still sellers up there, shown by today's action, I'm actually going to make this line a little thicker to show that this is going to be a very important and very key level of support. Now, sure, the price did get rejected, and sure, the price was red on the day, but in the grand scheme of things, the chart's hanging in there very nicely still. This support level down here has been doing a great job of holding. You can see a few times the bears tried to push through, but the bulls dug in and propelled the price back up to higher highs. So, just I don't mean to make it sound like things are freaking out, or there's a reason to freak out, but 0.0018, like I said, has proven to be a pretty key area of resistance. Now, in terms of the pullback, like I said, don't be going and jumping out of any windows or anything like that. Nothing to freak out about. You can see today, actually, price came down and then bounced off this blue line right here, which is a 10-day simple moving average. So a good job of a moving average providing support, which is what you want to see. But even if this didn't provide support, we still do have the 0009 level right here. You can see that it was a resistance, but now that we're above it, it's our support level. So even worst case, the price could come down here, hover around this area before heading back up, and that would still be giving us a bullish chart. Now, ideally, and if you were to ask me, well, what would make the chart look the best, I would say moves like this, where if it can stay above its moving averages. I'd say probably by Thursday or Friday of this week, this 20-day will be up above 0009. You can see it's quickly making progress upwards. So if the price is able to hold above these two moving averages, then that's going to make the chart very attractive, and it's going to show a nice healthy consolidation. Now, one thing that should be noted, and I don't want to say it's a red flag or it should be something to freak out on, but the volume today on this pullback was actually higher than what you'd preferably like to see it. Now, at the end of the day, price action's king, and the price action bumped up. Price is the number one indicator. That's what you must go by. But volume is a close second, and on pullback days, you usually want to see lower volume. Wasn't the case today, so like I said, don't go and lose sleep over it. But at the same time, make note of it and make sure that this bigger volume bar doesn't turn into a massive one with a lot more selling. So just something to keep an eye on. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together. So I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was ENTI. Thanks for listening.